Hello everyone, Nishant here from Learn QA Skill. In today's video, we are going to see the difference between smoke testing and the sanity testing. So the first difference is a smoke test is done to make sure that the critical functionalities of the application are working fine or not. And the sanity testing is done to check that the newly added functionality is working fine or not, or the bug fixed in the application. So after fixing the bug, the application is working correctly or not according to the requirement. And after bug fixes, there is no other side effects of that bug fix. So that we have to ensure in the sanity testing. Next difference is smoke testing exercise the entire functionality from end to end. So in the smoke testing, we do testing from end to end. And in the sanity testing, we exercise only the particular component of the entire application. Particular component in the sense, the particular component which have been newly introduced in the software application or the bug fix. So in the sanity testing, we check that particular component, like it's a newly added feature or that particular bug fix. The next difference is smoke testing is also called as a subset of acceptance testing, and sanity testing is also called as a subset of regression testing. The next difference is the smoke testing is performed by both the developers and the testers, and the sanity testing is performed only by the testers alone. The next difference is the software build while performing the smoke testing either stable or unstable, but in the sanity testing the software build is relatively stable while doing the sanity testing, and the smoke testing is mostly done on the initial builds. That's why the build is a stable or unstable, and the sanity testing is done on a relatively stable builds. So after conducting the multiple rounds of testing on the initial builds, so after some time that build become a relatively stable. So on that relatively stable build, we do perform a sanity testing. And the last difference is smoke testing is usually done every time when there is a new build release, and the sanity testing is a planned when there is a no sufficient time for in-depth testing. So in that case, we do the sanity testing.